Well, guys, today's done. At least this afternoon. Gotta go to work. Trekking back out of here. Yeah, you never realize how far you walk until you have to walk back. Found some awesome spots out here. Found some bass. That's a shock for me. And I never thought I'd see bass in the San Pedro. You know, yeah, sunfish, sure. Not bass. No snakes, luckily this time. Bunch of turtles. Caught one turtle by the shell. Must have been swimming by my line and snagged it. Crawfish were really tearing up my worm down there. Got pretty hot. Had an amazing time. Caught 2 carp, but sadly, I need to get some stronger line. Broke my line. I'm using 12-pound test lead. Never thought I'd see that. Beautiful out here. Can't wait till the monsoon's hit and everything starts getting green. Only bad part is there'll be no fishing. The water will be running way too fast. So, gonna get some fishing done while I still can. Sunday, might come out and do some camping. I'll camp for a little bit. But you can see, it's all shallow right here. And you got a deep pocket down over there, but you got some deep pockets everywhere. But you don't see no fish. Nothing. Just little minnows. All the spots that I used to fish out here as a kid, either the vegetation around it is all grown up, or it's just too shallow. One spot's full of sand. It used to be a real deep hole, and you would stand on the edge of a log that was over it. Just drop your line straight down, pull cat after cat after cat out of that sucker. That was about 10 years ago. But glad to come back out here, relive a childhood. Found some new amazing spots. Looks like not many people come out here and fish anymore. Good for me, more fish. Oh, and by the way, it's all catch and release out here. I don't keep nothing out here. All catch and release. Only thing I take back is a picture. Amazing day. Great day. Love it.